Modern urban living in this beautiful Enso one-bedroom condo in the heart of South Lake Union. Easy access to major tech companies around, with Wholefoods across the street, great restaurants, coffee shops, dog parks, and more. The vibrant floor plan offers a full functional kitchen with a gas cooktop, high ceiling, dual-sided fireplace, AC, washer and dryer, and a huge walk-in closet. South-facing large windows and the balcony with stunning open city view. Ownership includes a secure parking and a storage. LEED Gold certified Enso Condo includes concierge service, fitness studio, owner's lounge, guest suites. High walking score,